After using Android for 8 years, I switched to an iPhone. All this time I was an Android fanboy, I defended Androids. iPhones just felt stupid to buy because I could have the same performance for a cheaper price. But after 8 years, things have changed. I got an iPhone 13 Pro. Before we get into details, roll that intro. Let's put these Androids to the side and open the iPhone box. I already unboxed this phone, I'm gonna unbox it again with the video. This vacuum, man, come on, go. Okay, there we go. I got the Sierra Blue version. Let's take out this paper. I love that they did this a paper, not a plastic. And in the box we have a useless cable. I never used that cable once, just because of that USB Type-C to Lightning. And we have a paperwork that says designed Apple in California. And again, there's a sticker inside. Please comment down below where should I put the sticker on. And that's it with the box. And I also got a MagSafe battery pack and I unboxed it. Oh my god. And I also got a battery pack. I unboxed this before, but let's unbox it again. You pull the box and then the battery pack just comes. And there's paperwork again, designed by Apple in California. You just pull this and the whole thing just comes. There you go. I wish that they had a sticker in here too, but unfortunately they don't. And let's put the box in here and let the magic happen. There you go. And it is pretty strong too. Like, oh gosh, okay, never mind. That's extreme though. But you're not gonna do that, so. Back in the days, I always looked strangely at those who bought iPhones because you can go and buy a cheaper phone that has a better camera quality than iPhones, better app optimization than iPhones, but now I can barely post a story in my Android phone. The cameras are terrible. I'm not even going to talk about the app optimization. It is just crap. I hate it. One of the differences I noticed between Androids and iPhones is the video quality. The photo quality is good, but I'd rather go and film with a potato than an Android. And another thing that I noticed that even old iPhones get software updates. But in the Android phones, if you don't have a Google Pixel phone, you can maximum get 3 new updates. For my experience with the other brands, I got maximum of 2 new software updates. The software in iPhones, they're just beyond perfect. For example, when I put these Android phones to Do Not Disturb mode, I still get some notification sounds, some call sounds. But in the iPhones, I didn't even have a problem like that. I had one problem that I noticed. When I wanted to go and type to Siri, the keyboard didn't go away, and they fixed it like in 2 days. The iOS in the iPhones is perfectly smooth. Now with the 120Hz display, it is butter smooth. Alright, this is my iPhone 13 Pro. See you when the 14 Pro comes out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!